With the Fowls Fix clamp bracket, the pleated blind is clamped directly onto the window sash while still sitting directly in front of the window pane. You only need a screwdriver for installation. The package includes the operating handles, tension shoe holders, and clamp brackets including the front pieces. As a first step, slide the operating handles onto the adapters on the rails. Then prepare the clamp brackets by breaking off the semicircular cover plate. Insert the tension shoe holders into the front pieces with a twisting motion. The Fowls Fix clamp bracket is then assembled from the two individual parts. For additional stability and to prevent the bracket from slipping, you can also remove the protective film from the adhesive strip on the inside of the bracket. Position the clamp bracket on the window so that the tension shoe holders face outward. Press the bracket together until the front piece rests against the glazing bead. Use the adjustment screw to secure the bracket to the window sash. Finally, cover the screw with the semicircular cover plate. You can now attach the pleated blind. First, slide the tension shoes onto the tension shoe holders at the top and then at the bottom. Once the pleated blind is securely positioned on the window, you can remove any excess tension cord. We hope you enjoy your new Sensuna quality pleated blind for a long time.